My name is Morten. I work for Vestas Wind Systems. It's the largest wind turbine manufacturer in the world. I've worked for Vestas for 8 years and I'm the global head of public affairs. The main point that I was trying to make at the presentation was about keeping the industry united around reducing levelized cost of energy. Because if you look at the offshore wind sector, and this has been a theme not only here but also at WEA Wind Power, then the next step of moving this industry forward is to drastically reduce the levelized cost of energy. We cannot do that as individual players in the industry. We need to do this together, us as turbine manufacturers and also all the logistics and transport companies and all the other subcontractors here. We need to do this together. And that's sort of that was the main message for me today, but also one of optimism. If we do this, the market is definitely going to move forward and we're going to see enormous growth, and we should all take benefit from that. A couple of very good presentations we just went through, one on HSE, which is an enormously important point also because we lack common standards in this area in the offshore space. We have a relatively new industry here. It's important that we as players get together and understand how we create common standards in the HSE space. I would say on the Navigant presentation on offshore markets and how that looks going forward. Yes, a lot of optimism, a lot of markets doing the right things, but again it comes down to the levelized cost of energy. Can we reduce that quickly enough? And can we have that meaningful conversation with policymakers to move this market forward?